In a series of 3 videos, I want to demonstrate some varied uses of Reformer Pro, which is essentially a sound replacement plugin made by the folks over at Krotos. There's a quick overview if you've never heard of this plugin before. It essentially takes a live performance via your microphone, an audio file, a MIDI controller, replaces it with a sound from libraries that's analyzed from your collection or from collections you've bought from Krotos themselves. I can't speak for how it exactly works under the hood, but from my experience using it, the plugin does a great job adhering to the amplitude and pitch of the material I feed it. So in this example, I'm working on creating the vocals for these silly-looking chomper enemies in a game that I'm working on, and I've got some recordings of small dogs that I feel matches the size and the behavior of these chompers, but I'd like to add more layers to the voice to mark it as distinctly alien. So Reformer Pro will match the transients of the input file while giving you the choice of how quickly you'd like the plugin to react, right? You have like response time down here. So fairly quickly, I can load a library of other sounds here. I've got loaded a Black Leopard library, and you can begin to hear how the random vocalizations might sound. It's random each time, so it's hit or miss, essentially. So this is what we have right now. Sort of like a growl and a jump. And then if we wanted to add in a layer of Black Leopard, and if I really wanted to match the transients, which I do for this particular one because it has to line up with a bite, I'll choose fast. Then together you might get something like